one tool that we have as a Jewish people throughout all of the years of exile and of suffering is to turn to our loving Father in heaven and to cry out to him and to tell him, please, look at our pain, look in our eyes, and please take away the pain. We are resilient. We're not going to break, but we are in a lot of pain. And this is a call to all religious leaders around the world. From this holy spot, the only spot in the world, the holiest place in the world, where all three Abrahamic religions say this is holy and sacred. This is your chance to decide, where do you stand in humanity? Which side do you stand on? Are you choosing good or are you choosing evil? If you are quiet in your community, in your synagogue, in your church, in your mosque, in wherever you are, if you are quiet, you have chosen a side.